So I was just aboard this boat that I'm listing, and I was inside taking notes, and I heard like boom, boom. And I'm like, what is that? Look at this. There's just 3 55-gallon drums floating down the creek, empty. I don't know where they came from, but I guess I'll pull them out. Dude, what was that? All right, I think I see what's going on here. All right, I'm like 90% sure that them drums are the floats for the dock. And that big splash was just that dock collapsing because these are not floating anymore. I'd hate to be the person that has to walk out on the end of that dock. They're gonna have some wet toes.